doing? Are you filming this?
Yeah. Cody!
Cody! What's up, bro? It's already.
Oh! Oh, just put them all up for him. Aww.
Mate.
Wait.
It's 2 plus 1.
Oh! 2 of them.
2 of them.
I think. Oh! Oh!
No. Perfect. Oh, you hear me?
You have to know which one. You like the fish one.
He says at me today.
He used to admit so yesterday.
Oh my god. Oh my god, this guy's strong.
Shit. Oh, you'll have to loosen it up. Oh!
Oh my god. He's on it. He's on it. He's on it.
You're gonna be famous, cat. Oh!
YouTube.
He's gonna be on YouTube.
Oh!
Oh! You little ravage.
Uh-oh. It's going.
Oh! He's tough like he's a wrestling cat, man. He's tough like a wrestling cat.
Hey, see this cat's tougher.
Yeah, actually, we got this kitten a couple days ago, and his name is Cody. The reason why he is called Cody is because he's named after Cody Rhodes.
He even loves himself like Cody. Even loves himself.
But like, Cody Rhodes is cute though.
Oh. This guy's tough.
Oh!
Oh.
Oh! He loves this one. This is his favourite.
He loves it.
He's gonna be tired after this.
It's his favourite. It's his favourite.
Cody!
Cody.
Oh! He's already.
Oh! There we go.
Oh! He's so cute. Oh! Put it still. Yeah! It's really been like a fish. Oh! Wait, you didn't go that far. He likes you. Oh! It's a little ravage. Oh! He's gonna be tired after this. He's gonna have a big sleep. Oh!
This guy's cute.
God. Oh! Oh!
Your name is Little Jimmy, right? Your name is Little Jimmy.
Cody loves this game.
Which one, Rhodes or Smith?
The cat.
The cat. I can't match Cody Rhodes. I'm playing with this.
He'd be like, fuck that. Oh!
It's fun, Ned.